Hello and welcome back to another episode on how to log in. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can download TikTok application. It's a really quick and easy video, so make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get straight into it. Firstly, you need to open up a Play Store or App Store on your device. And there you need to search for TikTok. Once you search for it, you will be able to see TikTok on your screen. Now in order to get this TikTok application on your device, you need to tap on install button at the top right of your screen. And once you tap on it, TikTok app will start to download. Now your app has been successfully downloaded and installed to your device. Now if you want to open up your TikTok app right away, then you can tap on open button at the bottom of your screen. And once you tap on open button, you will be landed to this type of interface on your screen. So that's how easily you can download TikTok app. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.